Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on NerdWallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nerdwallet.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official NerdWallet website. Now from the homepage, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login page. Now if you used your Google or your Apple account to sign up, you can click on the respective buttons and proceed with these accounts. Otherwise, enter your email address within the given box, followed by your account password underneath. After entering both of these credentials, click on the continue button and now you will be logged into your account on NerdWallet right away. If you are logging in within this device for the first time, you might be asked to use your authenticator app or your phone number to verify your identity. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on NerdWallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.